Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tiara Tri Army. I'm from BBA with ID number 2402113013. Grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom student-teacher perception. Abstract. The aim of this study was to find out the teacher and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The perception of this study were 2 teachers and 4 students from an Islamic junior high school madrasah. We use a case study method to conduct this research to identify teacher and student perception in teaching and learning grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data were collected by using interview. The data were analyzed by using thematic analysis. The findings indicate that there were 5 indicators on student teacher perception. 1. Grammar was a crucial component in improving English skill. 2. Using classroom activities to promote communicative activities in the classroom. 3. Error correction was seen as one of process to create students in mastering material. 4. Teaching grammar interaction and CLT classroom teacher X motivator and facilities all students need. 5. Students should take part on the process of learning. Introduction. A grammar is the language, a framework, and system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and person speaking in similar language will communicate it because they naturally understand the grammar structure, which is the rules of meaning. According to Boston 1994, language without grammar is going to be messy, and it is harder to understand language without looking for this basic framework. So grammar language will be impossible to learn effectively without following structure rules, as cited Ronald and Sally 2017. They found that grammar plays a very important role in the study of language. The purpose of grammar is to educate those who use English to express their to properly both in speaking and writing. Research by us 2013 indicate that grammar is an essential and inseparable part in language teaching. So, teachers have tended to use communicative activities in teaching grammar interaction. It is mean that in teaching English as a foreign language, it is necessary to consider not only how learners acquire grammatical competence, but also how they learn to communicate. That is how they develop communication competence. In the importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to ensure competence savings. Butterline appraised 2010 reception seek approach that have a significant impact on grammar interaction, including natural approach and communicative approach. Among them, the communicative approach, commonly called CLT, is one of the current trends of language teaching. According to Lopes and Oglu 2013, the main intention of CLT is designed to teach communicative competence, which involves part of speech and tense as a sentence construction, and a teaching technique that refers to several as to language, include the use of language for multiple purpose and punctuation, distinction between formal and informal, oral and written discourse, as cited in Bancol 2018 p60. Based on the statement above, it can be concluded that grammar should be taught in communicative way, which is focused on developing the language to perform the skill. Literature review. Communicative language teaching (CLT) is one of approach to language teaching. This approach was found from the authors that language is a system for communication, not just a set of the rules. It switches the emphasis of traditional language teaching to grammar and teacher approach that embrace communicative ability. Richard 26 Furthermore, Richard 26 competence as the goal of second and foreign language teaching, a new approach that has evolved as our understanding of the process of second language learnings has developed. From the definition above, it can be concluded that communicative language teaching (CLT) is a language teaching that emphasizes interaction as concept of means and final aims of language learnings. Communicative language teaching emphasis on self-direction for student. Teacher no longer rely on activities that involve repetition, exercise, and the memorization of sentence. They require students to communicate in context and communicate meaningfully in foreign language. As Oxford 1960 proposed that this important for active development of a new language. In addition, Brand and Candlin in Richard and Rogers 201 p. 166 describe that role of learns in CLT as a delay toward themes, the process of learns, and the object of learning emerging from an interest in the role of the negotiator, but in groups and in classroom activities. In CLT, students expect support in classroom activities. Students are recommended to using activities in pairs or groups. As research from OTA 201 reported that when students act in pair of small group or pairs, they perform various tasks using the target language for numerous punctuation, e.g. responding to question making demands and giving feedback, as cited in Fairch 2017. From the statement, it can conclude that CLT allows students to interact more with other learners rather than with the teacher, and working in pairs or small group one of effective methods to boost student communicative ability. Methodology, research, design, participant, and locale of the study. The study used intrinsic case study method as the way to collect the data cross-wall. 2013 state case study is qualitative approach that involves the study above issue explore to one or more case over time to detail in depth the data collection involving multiple sources of information. We use intense case study because the study design was focused on the case itself. The case present an unusual or unique situation. The study was conducted in Islamic Junior High School Palembang. We course English teacher and student of 9th grade at MTS and to Palembang using purposeful sampling information rich and the most detailed information to help the research answer the research question. Lodico, Spaulding, and Paul Gill 2010. Data collection and analysis. In this research, in order to find out the teacher and student perception in grammar interaction in communicative language teaching, we use interview in order to gain information about teacher and student perception toward grammar interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. To analyze the data of teacher and student perception toward grammar, interaction, and communicative language teaching classroom. The data from interview were analyzed communicative language teaching classroom. After we collected the data, we analyze the data by using thematic analysis. In the research, we use trustworthiness to evaluate qualitative data analysis to make sure that the findings were credible. Crosswell 2013 2012 defines spelling is the research authenticity or credibility of the result. So some techniques such as number checking or triangulation. Findings: the data gains from interviewer analysis. By using thematic analysis, the description of the finding were explained as follows. Teacher perception. After analysis the data from interview, we found that there was some teacher perception toward grammar interaction in communicative language. Teacher, the themes and quotes gained from the analysis of qualitative data obtained from interview explained in Table 1. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interview, we got some teacher perception about grammar interaction in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agreed that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skill in CLT classroom. It was because grammar was very helpful for the student in improving English language. Teacher once said, "Yes, if the student will know about grammar in English, they will have good communication." In teacher perception, the explicit grammar interaction was helpful in CLT classroom. Teacher 2 claimed in teaching grammar one clearly expressed that a communicate way in teaching such as introducing grammar point to example and activities which it helps students feel a little safer and also increase student motivation. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar introduction in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agree that in learns process group work or pair work was designed to promote communication in the classroom. However, all the teachers also processed that in applying group work, students were able to interact well. The data obtained from interview also show that the teacher recommended pair or group work interaction was effective activities. Therefore, the teacher had to provide their learners with opportunities to engage in meaningful interaction. The teacher 1 and 2 claim. In teaching English, we bet to make the class more lively, so group discussion are one of methods that gave students the opportunity to explore problems themselves. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most of teachers agreed that error correction was one of process to create student in mastering material. However, that teacher also did not feel angry when student made a grammatical error. The teacher to claim that error or mistake on communicating in English is tolerant, so if the student make a mistake in learns process, so with a teacher can make it correct. Interview 20 December 2020. The data obtained from interview also show that the most teacher believed that correction and error or mistake was obligation for teacher. Therefore, the teacher should give the immediate correction feedback for student. Teacher 1 claim. Correcting grammar mistake is an obligation for English teacher, but in good way without understanding the student. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained for interviews show that in teaching grammar introduction in communicative language teaching, teacher as motivator in the teacher learns process. The teacher 1 claimed that yes, because teacher also is motivator in the teaching learns process. Interview 20 December 2020. However, we also found that most of the teacher trained the student to take responsibility and self-discipline to develop their activities. Teacher 2 say training learns to take responsibility and self-discipline are good to develop their ability because every learns need to take the responsibility for these learns. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. The data obtained for the interview also revealed that the teaching grammar introduction in CLT classroom should be balanced. In teaching English between tasks and activities must be balanced. Also, in teaching English language, students should not only master that theory, but also practice the theory teacher to express. If students master English grammar, they will have good knowledge. But if the students are having lack of practice, of course, they will still getting difficulty in communicating. So, of course, in learns English language theory and practice should be balanced. The student perception toward grammar introduction in communicative language teaching. After analysis the data from interview, we found that there was some student perception toward grammar introduction in communicative language teaching. The terms and codes gained from the analysis of qualitative data obtained from interview explain the importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interview, we found that some student perception about grammar introduction in communicative language teaching classroom. We found that most of students considers grammar as an important part in learning English language. Student 1 and 3 said that yes, because grammar important to mastering English language. The students who had the same opinion, they said, because with grammar we can communicate with foreign listener. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar introduction in communicative language teaching and learning process. I found that most of the students agree that using group that made it faster and approach way to develop knowledge quickly. The student once said that yes, I'm more understandable and the text finished quickly. Moreover, the student 3 claimed that studying in group is good. One can ask my friends and perception speaking more comfortable. Quality and quantity of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found that most of students agree that by correcting an error has been considered helpful in achieving successful communicative competence. As the student once said, because the learners can know where the error. Interview 22 December 2020. Correct them interview 22 December 2020. The student 4 also said, my teacher always correct my error clearly so I know and how to fix my mistake. Interview 22 December 2020. However, the student also did not feel bad when the teacher correct their mistake. As the student 3 said, I often made a grammar mistake when speaking English, but my teacher and correct in a good way. Interview 22 December 2020. The role of teacher in classroom. The data obtained for interview found some student perception toward the role of teacher in teaching grammar introduction in communicative language teaching classroom. Students agree that the role of teacher in classroom are as independent with and the learns teaching group gave motivation to student and the teacher facility all student need. The student I claim the teacher don't much over control, let the student get the creativity if it is not out of lesson. Interview 22 December 2020. Then the student should state the teacher giving the student motivation. Interview 22 December 2020. The student 3 also said the teacher should facilitate all of student needs. Interview 22 December 2020. The last one with the teacher 4 said a good teacher explained the material interestingly. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. The data gotten from the interview also reflect the data role and contribution of students in the learning process. The student process that the student solved took part on the process of learns. In addition, students also agree that the role and contribution of the student in the learns it is receive the lesson. The student one claim as an active learns who ready to answer the teacher question. Interview 22 December 2020, the student also said pay attention and understand the lesson. This question, after analysis the data by using a thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teacher and student perception toward grammar, introduction, and communicative language teaching classroom. Those considers of the importance of grammar, classroom activities, quality and quantity of error correction, the role of teacher in classroom, the role and contribution of student in the learning process. Therefore, the explanation of the factor was described as following in order. Now further much information about them. First was the importance of grammar. Most of teacher and student perceive that grammar was important in learning English language. The teacher agreed that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skill in CLT classroom. It was because grammar was very helpful for the student in improving English language. This finding is supported by Azad 2013. In his study, he found that the teacher believed grammar is an inseparable and essential component in language teaching. The teacher also preferred explicit grammar introduction and contextualist use of grammar within communicative activities. Farahian, 2011, found in her research that most teachers value teaching grammar to meaningful communicative activities. However, the student also considers grammar as an important part in learning English language. The finding is supported by Mirazana and Hikmah 2019 in their study. They report that the students were aware of the importance of grammar. They assume that by learning grammar, they can measure their English abilities. Conclusion: based on the data analysis by using thematic analysis, it was found teacher and student perception toward grammar introduction and communicative language teaching. The first, teacher perception in teaching grammar introduction in communicative language teaching classroom. The teacher think that provide students with explanation was an effective way to grammar introduction in CLT classroom. In the learning process, teacher using group and pair work was designed to promote communication in CLT classroom. Teacher claimed that in learning process, error correction was on-off process student to mastering material. So correction mistake was an obligation for teacher. Teacher perceive they soul as motivator in the teaching learns process and training students to take responsibility in develop their activities in teaching grammar introduction CLT classroom students so not only mastering the theory but also practice the theory. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.